What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And I know it's been a while since I had a video out. I have one video I was working on, still kind of working on. It's for when the homie Cisco is getting his GTR wrapped. I missed the ending to where it's finished, so I'll just have to link up with him. I'll probably do it when we go to Clean Culture, which is the start of this video. So this video will come out first, and then I'll finish up the other one, and then that video will be right after. But basically, what we're doing today is a little Clean Culture prep. So I'm going to be taking the car over to the homie Emotion Wraps, who wrapped the car. He just got a new shop, so I don't know how much he can do today. See if he can take a look at it, but I really want to go over there and check out his new spot, and I'll put some links to his stuff down below as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. But as I'm starting this video, it's only Wednesday, so I'm not going to wash the car just yet, because let me see all the pollen and dirt on it. But yeah, the show is on Sunday, so I got some time, and I'm going to be driving around for a bit and got a few things to do, so I'll have to end up washing it multiple times anyway. So I'm going to hold off on washing it until we get closer, but there's a few things I wanted him to take a look at. Nothing too major, but this has been coming up since I don't have the liner that's supposed to be in there to protect it from water and everything. That's coming up a little bit, so he did tell me to come by so he can get that down as well. But that's really the main thing. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over to his new shop. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end up washing the car because it looks freaking terrible. But yeah, look what I see pulled up. That's clean. I like that. It's always dope when you can come and see some pretty clean cars. Alright, so he was able to take care of what I needed. So we are back looking great. And I still need to clean the car. Oh, I need to turn my lights off because I did have it on for that. But decided to stop at Speed Zone since I was 4 minutes away. And just to say what's up to him while I'm in the area. But sheesh, look at this. Probably gonna try to get one. Probably. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm probably not gonna record much. So next clip will probably be closer to the actual event or washing the car or something. Alright, and this clip, alright, this is gonna be for Clean Culture. Mostly keeping for myself. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this part in, but if I do, a little behind the scenes. Anyway, here at the homies, wrapping up the GTR video, which is probably still gonna come after the Clean Culture video. But once they're done wrapping up the final pieces on the GTR, we're gonna wrap these side mirrors, since they are not real carbon fiber and they're peeling like that. So the plan is to just color match it, because I do have some material left. So I don't know if I showed it in a previous clip, but yeah, so I still have some material left, and we're gonna do that. We'll end up waking up early to clean the car rather than trying to rush after work, because coming straight over here, he lives 7 minutes away and it's already dark. So here we are. But yeah, we got quite a few of the homies here. Well, not quite a few, we got a few. But yeah, I'll pick it up once we start on this. Alright, so prepping it now. This side is worse, so it's gotta be sanded down. Uh-oh. So probably gotta do this one too. Alright, here we go. It is done.
Yes, what do you think about that purple in the thing today?
We only had a few issues with the clear coat coming up, but it's because of these cheap mirror cap covers. But yeah, they getting their cars washed tonight. I'm going to do it in the morning because yeah, I make terrible decisions apparently. All right. Well, it's the best I'm gonna do for now. Go ahead and head on to the show. A little later than I had hoped, but it was really filthy. Alright, so we are lined up here at Racetrack. I believe we do have some. Oh, there goes one of them is right there. I was just about to say, they probably here. Oh, that Z is dope. And I saw the S2K in traffic or on a expressway. Might go check out some more as well. Alright, so we are in line right now to get in. It is 9:40. This is how we looking. We are in the lineup, so shouldn't be too long. They're starting to move now. So we are good. Still missing a couple people. Alright. So we are in. A couple of our people missing, but we had a couple spots saved, but somebody ended up taking those.
That was a video that night.
Damn. Rest in peace to Toriyama. Team Linza over here.
That's what's saving me right now. Tell me about that big ass dip.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm not gonna get all cars, but the show hasn't officially started. We still got about 30 minutes. It took that long to get in. 2 hours. I've already seen a few cars that I've only seen online that I need to actually go and find the drivers. So that guy who wrapped the car hey, I know who this is. I don't think we've ever met in person, but I gotta say what's up to him. Alright, so this is mostly the Atlanta chapter. It's pretty dope. But yes, let's come over here. See some official clean culture cars.
There's a one that's like all the white Silvias. You ever see the one that's got all the white Silvias? There's one like that showing the S15, S13.
Yeah, I go Gabe's car. I'm gonna have to find him. But yeah, this was one of the colors I was looking at, and these are the actual wheels that I wanted. But seeing as Gabe has them, I definitely cannot do this. But they look even better in person than I thought. Speed limits. One thing I love about coming to these, I always get to see some homies, and make sure you check them out. Cool pathetic, but yeah, it's dope. It feels like a reunion from the last time you see a lot of people in the scene, and something that you only see online, finally get to see in person.
This way? Also?
Yeah. So yeah, it's dope seeing different squads together, putting the drags on. Sounds good. It's next to him in line. But yeah, it's definitely very clean cars. And I've seen this one quite a bit. It's been a little bit since I've seen it, but always good to see. Wrap my car. Alright. That color is dope too. Look, thank you. Nice. That's clean. Nice and simple.
It's not over the performance. The overall look.
Even when he ain't here, he's here.
We got them both up there.
Oh, you did?
XAT Racing?
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's nice.
Alright, so we are going to the after meet. The homie, he won top 35 at Clean Culture, so definitely congrats to him. Alright, so we popped out at a after meet. So here we are. Cisco just left. I'm probably gonna be leaving shortly myself. But we lined up here too.
I gotta open the hood.
Yep. But yeah, I'm not gonna do too much here at this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it. And it looks like Javi done changed my emblem. Or nope. I don't know, he might have did all of ours. Honestly. Anyway, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, please leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.